Growth without transformation is short-lived. That's why forward-looking companies across manufacturing, FMCG, logistics, and beyond are embracing Industry 4.0 as the engine of sustainable success. Whether you're running a single factory or managing a multi-site operation, the question isn't if you should transform. The real question is, can you afford not to? Because tomorrow's winners will be powered by AI, data, and automation. Industry 4.0 is not just a tech upgrade, it's a strategic shift. It combines IoT, AI, big data, and cyber-physical systems to create intelligent, self-optimizing ecosystems. Imagine this: real-time decision-making, predictive maintenance before failures, automated production and logistics, end-to-end visibility, from raw material to customer delivery. But let's be honest, transformation isn't plug and play. It brings real challenges: data security, skill gaps, resistance to change, risk of mid-tier disruption if not handled carefully. That's why transformation must be led from the top, with clear vision, aligned leadership, and structured execution. As an operations excellence consultant, I help businesses design and lead this journey. From strategy to vendor selection, from process redesign to sustainable capability building, if your business is ready to move from reactive to predictive, from traditional to intelligent, let's talk. Let's turn Industry 4.0 from a buzzword into your competitive advantage.